Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your Apple Cash card number? In today's tutorial, we are diving into how to review your Apple Cash virtual card number in just few simple steps. Whether you're shopping online or need to manage your finances, knowing how to access this information is essential. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing your Apple Cash card on iPhone. Open the Wallet app. Locate and tap on the Wallet app on your iPhone. Select your Apple Cash card. Find the tap on your Apple Cash card. Tap the More button. Look for the three dots or More button in the corner. View card number. Tap on card number and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. Here you will see your virtual card number, expiration date and security code. Step 2. Accessing your Apple Cash card on iPad. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPad. Navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Then select your Apple Cash card. Card information. Tap card information and authenticate as needed. Few details, just like on the phone. Here you'll find all necessary details about your virtual card. Step 3. Using your virtual card. Once you have your virtual card number, you can use it for online purchases where Apple Pay is not accepted. To make it even easier, set up Safari autofill on your iPhone or iPad to automatically fill in your card details during checkout. Troubleshooting tips. If you can't see your virtual card number, ensure that your device is running iOS 17.4 or later. If not, update your device. If needed, you can set up a new virtual card number by following similar steps in the Wallet app. And there you have it. Accessing your Apple Cash virtual card number is quick and straightforward. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to make your online transactions with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Happy spending.